English Croatian future, to be, I will be.
Biću.
Welcome. Hey do, great to have you here. Ready to time travel into Croatian future tense? This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your friendly guide to languages. For more tips, transcripts, and freebies, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. Today you and I will nail the Croatian future of to be, keep it light, and have a chuckle or two. Your goal today. Do, here's what you'll be able to say by the end. I will be.
Biću.
You, SG, will be.
Ti ćeš biti.
He will be.
On će biti.
She will be.
Ona će biti.
It will be.
Biće.
We will be.
Mi ćemo biti.
You, place, will be.
Vi ćete biti.
They will be.
Oni će biti.
Forms with rhythm. Clap it, do, rhythm makes memory sticky. Clap 1, 2, 3, I will be.
Biću.
You.
Ti ćeš biti.
He.
On će biti.
She.
Ona će biti.
It.
Biće.
We.
Mi ćemo biti.
You, place.
Vi ćete biti.
They.
Oni će biti.
Now whisper the last three.
Mi ćemo biti. Vi ćete biti. Oni će biti.
Nice. Tiny dialogue. Shadow this mini scene, do, repeat right after me. A. At 6, I promise.
Biću.
There. B. Relax, do.
Ti ćeš biti.
On time. A. And Marco?
On će biti.
Hungry. B. Anna?
Ona će biti.
Ready with snacks. A. The weather?
Biće.
Sunny. B. Great.
Mi ćemo biti.
Outside.
Vi ćete biti.
The loudest fans and.
Oni će biti.
Amazed. Quick drills. Fast reps, do, say it out loud. Repeat, I will be online.
Biću.
Online. Say to your friend, you will be fine.
Ti ćeš biti.
Dobro. Forecast, it will be cold.
Biće.
Hladno. Plan for the team, we will be early.
Mi ćemo biti.
Renij. To a group, you will be ready.
Vi ćete biti.
Spremni. About the guests, they will be here.
Oni će biti.
Ovdje. About Luca, he will be at home.
On će biti.
Kod kus. About Anna, she will be a doctor.
Ona će biti.
Liječnica. Culture tip. Sound natural, do, here's a native favorite. Croatians often reassure with.
Biće.
You redo. Note the spelling. Not btq, but split.
Biću.
And keep the order.
Vi ćete biti.
Not vbt seat. In fast speech you'll also hear.
Biće.
Smile, nod, future secured. Quiz time. Test yourself, do, you've got this. Fill the blank. Sutra ___ tamo. Answer.
Biću.
Say in Croatian, you, SG, will be ready. Answer.
Ti ćeš biti.
Spreman, spremna. Translate, at noon, he will be at home. Answer.
U podne. On će biti kod kuće.
Translate, she will be on time. Answer.
Ona će biti na vrijeme.
Translate, it will be okay. Answer.
Biće u redu.
Translate, we will be there at 6. Answer.
Mi ćemo biti tamo u 6.
Translate, you, place, will be the winners. Answer.
Vi ćete biti pobjednici.
Translate, they will be in Zagreb tomorrow. Answer.
Oni će biti u Zagrebu sutra.
Challenge and wrap up. One last push, do, make it yours. Your turn. Make 3 promises about your week using
Bit ću. Mi ćemo biti.
and.
Oni će biti.
This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Thanks for listening. Keep practicing daily and revisit the forms.
Ti ćeš biti. On će biti. Ona će biti. Bit će. Vi ćete biti.
For more lessons and freebies, visit www.synapse-lingo.com.
Vidimo se.